Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this lecture, we have to discuss a mini project. In that, I will show you how to design a 3D table in AutoCAD. So, let's start. So, for that, here I have opened my AutoCAD software. So, but it is a 2D display. So, first of all, from this workspace setting, we have to convert it into 3D modeling. Okay, see, in ribbon panel you will get the 3D model tools. Now in top plane I am working. Okay, so I am just taking the from draw panel, take a rectangle, draw one rectangle. How much? Just as per your requirement. Suppose I want to draw the rectangle of uh, for dimension, type D, enter. Length of rectangle is suppose 2000 mm, because we are working in millimeter, so I have given 2000, and width I am giving 1000, means 1 meter. Okay, see, the rectangle is ready. Now here again I am using the rectangle command. From this corner I want to draw. So suppose for dimension I'm just type D, enter. How much? Take as 100 mm. 100 mm length, 100 mm width. See, one rectangle is ready. Okay, or you can increase the size, or it is enough. Same I want to copy, so hit on copy and place it here. Now you can select both of them, use the mirror command from this point to this point. No, I don't want to erase the. Okay, so we have drawn the table and there. So now just by using the orbit command you can rotate it like this. Now I'm using the extrusion command. See, so from here hit on extrude, then select this one, this object and this object, enter. How much you want to extrude? So as per your requirement you can extrude. Okay, so I have extrude up to here 700 or whatever. Okay, see, if you want to see in this see in shades of gray view, here we have created the four corner of this table. Now what we have to do, come here. Now I want, what I want to do, I want to extrude the top face also. So for that, first of all, come here in top view. Okay, because we have to offset also. I want to offset this line, so select this rectangle, use the offset command, O enter. How much you want to offset? So suppose offset distance I am giving 100, suppose, enter. Outside, like this, enter. Okay, now you can use. Now I want to extrude, so what you can do, use the extrude command from here, hit inside this line and enter. Extrude it. How much? As per your requirement. Okay, whatever thickness you want to take. So I'm taking 50 is enough, I think. So 50 mm, enter. See, yeah, the table is ready. Now come into this bottom face, just hit on extrude command, select this face, enter. Now extrude it. So you want to extrude in little bit, just extrude like this. Okay, now it is looking good. Otherwise what you can do, from here select, just move it up to here, it is okay. Okay, now here I want to draw one more. So what I'm doing, use the line command from here, draw one line from this point to this center point. Okay, use the extrude command, select the line, enter. So extrude it as per your requirement. 50 is enough, so I'm giving 50, enter. Now but see, it is not a solid, it is a surface extrusion. So for solid, from your solid editing, here you can see thicken command is given, hit on that thicken command, select it, enter. How much you want to give? Thickness, suppose I want to give 100 mm, enter. But 100 mm is fixed. Okay, so in this way you can give it. Same way I want to copy this. So what you can do, select it, use copy command, co, enter. Select the uh, base point they are telling na. So center point I am selecting. Where is center? Okay, see the center point is shown now here. Select this point and here center. Sorry. So select it, use copy command, co, enter. Or you can use the mirror command. Okay, mi, enter. So specify first point. So for that I'm just using the center. So for that, better is to work in top view. Specify first point, center, second point, this one. No, I don't want to erase the source object. Now see the this will be copy. Now I want to draw one more line in this center. So again you can use the line command from this point to this center. Okay, now I'm using the extrusion command to, how much you want to extrude, suppose 50. So see, here we have selected 50. Height you can write down 50. Okay, but it is a surface. Now again you want to extrude it, so use the thicken command, select it, sorry, select this surface, enter. How much you want to use? 100 mm. Okay, now come here in this face, you can move it little bit as per your requirement. Otherwise it is okay, it is in center only. If you want to make this in center, so move it little bit. From here you can move it into center like this. Okay, now the table is ready. Now I will show you. So already we have created this table. Then I will show you that this is the mod. In this way we have to model a 3D table. Okay, now you can apply the different material also. So for that, as per your requirement also you can apply the material. So for that you have to download the texture from the Google. That also you can apply here. You can add that images here. Okay, so for that come here in visualize to apply the material or texture. Come here in visualize tab, material panel. You can see here the material browser is given, hit on that. Okay, after that here you will get in Autodesk library, you will get the different material what you want. So if you want wood material, you can select it from here. Otherwise what you can do, in global only right click, uh, duplicate option is also given. Can select it, duplicate, and write down wood, enter. Now double hit on that. See here in image, if you want to add any other texture which you have downloaded, so you have to select the image like this. Now from where, in desktop, if you see here I have taken the one image, table top texture. Open it, that texture, see it will look like this. I want to apply this texture, so what you can do, close it from here. See automatically the texture will be here. Just select the texture, drag it and place it here, but it will not visible in your this view. So if you want to see, so first of all you have to change the shade of gray as a realistic. If you want to see the texture, so open the realistic view. See here we have applied the texture. Okay, from here you can do the setting also. Double hit on that. Here double hit on this image. See you can scale it as per your requirement. Suppose I'm taking 500 by 500. If you want to take 1000 by 1000, suppose 1200 by 1200. Okay, but see, if I'm changing the width, automatically height will also change, but I don't want to change this, so just hit on that. Width, suppose I'm taking 200 to 1200. Height I'm taking 1500. Let's say width is 1500. Again, just 2000. 22,000. Okay, now it is clear. Height, as per your requirement, you can change what you want. So okay, 1200 is enough. Okay, so I want to apply this texture. After applying this texture, what you can do, close it from here. Again, you can see in this bottom part also you want to apply. Select that, close it first, select that and place it here. Okay, in this way you can apply the texture. Same way, now if you want to apply other texture, see, from Autodesk library also you can select the hood material, hit on that hood. But here also which you want, so see, the assign option is given here, add material to document, add it. So automatically that will add it. Now you can drag it and place it. If you want this material is okay, otherwise what you can do, you can download from Google also, which you want to add. So yeah, again I want to just right click, duplicate, and give the name wood material. Already I have downloaded, so double hit on this wood material, hit on image, or in desktop I have saved wood texture. Open it, it will look like this. Okay, close it now. Now from here you can select, drag it and place it, this type of material. You can do the changes also. Double hit on this image. Okay, now here you can see the scale option is given. Uncheck how much you want to scale as per your requirement. See, suppose here 500 width I am giving, and height also 500. You can just give it as per your requirement. Okay, 600, suppose 700 height, and width I am giving 300. Okay, this type of texture I want. Otherwise height is 500 is enough. As per your requirement you can give it. Okay, it's okay, close it. Same way, if you want to apply this texture to each and everywhere, just select it, drag it and place it each and everywhere. Okay, select this wood material, place it here, again select it, place it here, then place it here, and again select it and place it, select it, place it in this. Okay, now the line which you have drawn, just delete it from here. For your our reference, we have drawn a line. See, but see, when I'm selecting line, all the material is selected. So first close it. In this way we have to apply the material. Now what you can do, here you can see the selection cycling on, and then select it. Now see, what you want to select, line. Okay, so the line is selected, delete it from here. Okay, uncheck this cycling. See, in this way you have to apply the material for your 3D table, and the table is ready. So I hope that all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.